Hello, my name is Klavs and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! From the thumbnail, you've seen what's up, what's going on, so let's go straight into it. First, the tools you're gonna need. These are the tools you're gonna need. A trim removal tool, a pick, O-ring pick or whatever pick you choose, screwdriver, breaker bar for tighter nuts, or if you have an impact gun, use better impact gun. 10mm socket, this is a 10mm, a normal one, 14mm, and a 12mm. If you have an impact gun, better use an impact gun. I forgot my impact gun, so I will use these. Should have another tool. Ah, there it is. And a trim removal tool. The special that you remove the clips. That's it. So let's go to the car. As you know what we will do. First, disconnect the battery. What I'm gonna do is start from the outside and go inwards. So I'm gonna remove these, seats, then the middle part, and from the other side, the other way. So let's go. And there we go. That's how much we need to remove to get to the edge of the carpet. This is one side. Obviously, the middle is something else. So I'll get back to you once this is removed too. It's the same side as this. So actually no, let's do it this way. Now I bet many of you are saying, hold up Klavs, I bet there's a difference between driver's side, passenger side and driver's side, sorry. Yes, there is. On the driver's side there isn't that box, but there is the frame number and the release for the fuel tank. So let me show you. Here we are. Frame number and this release. The release has here a screw, a Phillips plus. Frame number, it's attached to the carpet so you can leave it. But this, so then this is here, so now we have free access here. This moves together with the carpet. And the only thing what's left is this is moving with it. This on the pedals behind. This plastic needs to move outwards, but here are tabs. So let's get rid of these tabs and pull this upwards, just behind the pedals. So this is in here, like this. This foam is here, so you can see like, yep, like this. And it goes over here, and on top of those, here's a screw on the bottom too. So that there and there. And it just sits like that. So the pry tool, what I was doing, was not needed. That's all taken off. We can access all this. Now it's this in the way. Was here a screw? I forgot. Maybe no. Okay, then let's start. Here are two screws. Let's start from the back, going forwards. We don't need to remove farther. That's it. Don't remove more. Now what we have to unscrew is this. We need to remove this side. We need to remove all of this. But this is not in the way of removing it. We need to remove all these screws that are in here. Here, there are two. Here are two. And this should slide out. As long as there aren't any hidden screws. So let's go. This tool, that's how I pull them out. These are that kind of tabs. So we go around and pull all these tabs out, and then we put them in one place. I'm gonna put them here in the middle. So the only places which snags is here. And this needs to go up and over. Those two there. I think I'll better remove the screws and just move the handbrake a bit than mess with the alignment, because the alignment is perfect. So let's do not mess with the handbrake. Just undo it from the mounting. That's one Mazda carpet out. It was a battle around here. The handbrake doesn't really wanna maneuver. So that's all. That's how you remove the carpet from the Mazda. And as you can see, some things have been spilled. Some things did happen. So we're gonna clean this. Well, actually, I'm gonna clean this in the next video. And as you can see, the interior, yeah, you can see that people didn't care about this car. Let's say it that way. No, the handbrake could go back, but whatever. There is some money, but I'm not interested in that. There are shims. I don't know for what the shims are. There is one of the lights I lost, and it was under the carpet. So yeah, interesting. And looks like they glued this down here. The floor looks solid. And they glued it there, but yeah, it all ripped off, obviously. Okay, that will be all for this video. I'll try to make this video quite short, so you guys can have 3 videos of how I take it out, how I cleaned it. Because if you like cleaning videos, you can enjoy it. If you don't like it, you can skip it. Otherwise, there will be one really long video where I do everything. So yeah, if you want to remove the carpet for some reason or do something for your car, there you go. Hope this video helps, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.